Hi guys, my name is Helen, and you are on the Clay Girl channel. Today I will make a plasticine letter F from the alphabet lore. I want to also remind you that I have a Facebook group where you could send you plasticine artwork, and time to time I will publish them in my videos. If you like my plasticine figure, please press the like button. Write in the comments who would you like to see in the new video. And also don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to not miss the new plasticine figure. Bye bye!